Stay comfortable and uniform compliant in this desert style boot from S.W.A.T. This silhouette is a non-safety toe version. It's super lightweight with that soft toe on the front, using a suede and textile upper. That suede leather has a round toe across the front that's reinforced in the toe as well as in the heel for a lockdown secure fit. The canvas is going to add some extra style as well as some breathability, making sure that mesh on the inside is always super cool. It is thickly padded to add lots of support, and it's also moisture wicking to keep you feeling fresh. There's a gusseted tongue to keep out any outside debris, and it uses a corded lace-up with metal eyelets for a secure, customizable fit. The footbed in the bottom is made with extra cushioning for comfort, and it has a compression molded EVA midsole to give you more energy with that responsive feel. Underneath is an ASTM certified rubber that's non-marking and oil resistant, making sure that you are secure with its slip resistance as well. There's plenty of flex throughout, and those lugs are going to give you a reliable grip.